terms of need, I mean, all you have to do is walk through the current library.
Right now, it's falling apart.
It's really been fun to have a partner, an architect that really understands the culture and mission of our school and is really willing to come to the table and help us further that as we're looking to use our spaces differently.
I'm an architect.
So for all of us who have been on the building committee or donors who have helped contribute to finance this, we're living the mission statement of Nobles.
That's my mission.
And we cleared the trees so early because we knew it would be disruptive.
And here we go.
We currently have about 15,000 books and other items in the library.
It's a lot of books.
I mean, the new building is much more than a library. Certainly the library is a huge improvement and a very exciting, forward-looking space. The rest of the building also provides much-needed classroom space. So we'll have 6 new classrooms in the building, which will alleviate a lot of the pressure of having to use spaces that really weren't designed originally to be used for teaching.
The final phase of this exciting project is going to be our creation of some outdoor learning spaces, outdoor classrooms, outdoor gathering spaces that we really have never had before. And when the Putnam Library comes down, we have this really unique opportunity to think very differently about how the space in the middle of our campus can now be used, whether it's for gatherings of students, whether it's for things in the evening, whether it's for classes who want to go out and sit and use that space differently. It's a huge opportunity for us that we can really make use of in some pretty neat ways.